Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is just an introduction to a series about non-technical skills that you need to be successful as a technical person. So one thing I noticed is that as content creators for technology and technological people and helping you getting a career in technology, we focus a lot on technical skills. I wanted to address that by telling you all the important skills you have to be successful in technology. And those skills have nothing to do with technology. Now, of course, you have to have the technology skills to be successful in technology, but the idea is you have to be a more well rounded person and you have to work well with others. So, there are skills you have to have that are not technology skills. So in this series, I'll go over a few of those skills in details and how you can get better at those. So in this video, I will not tell you what the skills are. You can look in the description for the playlist or at the end of this video for the playlist. I will add it there. So the reason why I'm not listing the skills that I'm going to cover in this video is because this is just an introduction video. I want to be able to cover more skills in the future as I see that they become relevant. So if you want to skip straight to the content, it's in the description below or in the playlist right here on the left. And the first video on this series is right here. Let's go.